What's up guys, how are you? So currently I'm standing outside the KLCC, Twin Towers, Petronas Towers. I hope you can see that. And I'm here with my friends, Nazan, let me show you. And so I'm here with them. This is Ihab, and this one is Luis, and this is Nazan, yeah. So we're currently at, look at this humongous building, man. It's really nice. Yeah, and there are a lot of people around here, so we just came here and we had a McDonald's ice cream. Now we're gonna look around the city and see what Kuala Lumpur has to offer us. This place is really good and everyone is taking pictures around here, but the building is really huge. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now we're going to LRT station so that we can take the train towards Pavilion, Bukit Jalil, Bukit Bintang, and then we'll from there. This is Luis, by the way, and guys, we're at Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, and here's Luis, and there are some people on the wheelchair. It's really crowded today because of the vacations of Christmas holiday. Tomorrow is Christmas actually, and today is 24th of December. Okay guys, so one of the guys wanted to see the Christmas decoration of Pavilion Bukit Bintang, and we're currently here. And look at these beautiful decorations. There's so many things and people are all over taking photos in as well. So let's go down. Okay, so let me give you a tour around. Okay, let's go. Come on guys. Let me focus. Okay, so this is actually the first time that I'm seeing Christmas celebrations, and it is really beautiful. Look at these small details. Oh, they have a train as well. It says Disney 100 Express. Okay, that's nice. Let's give you a tour. Okay, so we're done, and now we're headed to Jalan Alor so that we can eat something. We're really hungry, and now we're going back from Pavilion to Jalan Alor. We were just walking towards Jalan Alor, and I found my dream car. This is Nissan GTR. I hope all of you know. Damn, this car. This is the first time that I'm seeing it live. Let me take a good look at this. Holy shit, man. Oh, damn. We're really thirsty, so we bought mango juice, fresh mango juice, and they added some mango chunks on top of that as well. So I'm gonna try this. It's really nice, and it's really good to drink something after a very long time. So it's nice. Okay guys, we're now at Jalan Alor. Let's go in. Okay, let me give you guys a quick tour. There are fruits. A lot of fruits. That one is called, I don't know what that one is. Its name is Musang durian. This is the durian fruit. It's basically national Malaysian fruit, I guess. Let's get this. So we're here, and now we're looking for a place to sit so that we can eat. It's really nice. It's really big, and it's really hot. I hope you guys can see. Let me show you. And sadly, we're going back because we cannot find halal food. And we asked one person, and he said that he was selling pork, and he said that it's halal, and we said the pork is not halal, man. So we're going back, and we're gonna get shawarma from an Arabic restaurant.